All right, so with the semester starting, you're going to get a lot of group projects and people wanting to collaborate with you on one document. If you're starting that document, it's really important to know how to send that to other people and allow them to edit it so you guys can work together on a group project. To begin, you're going to want to open any Google Drive document that you have. It can be a fresh document, whatever you already have. From there, we're going to click the Share button. That is just at the top right-hand side, bright blue, pretty easy to see. Once that is open, we are going to change the link settings and get the link. This will allow people to access the document without you needing to know their email address right off the bat. Once we change this, it will originally look like a restricted link, which means that anyone that you have already added into the document through their email address can access this link. If you don't have people's email address, this isn't very helpful, so we're going to change this to anyone with the link can now access the document. That way, once you send this off, people can then view the document, save it for themselves, do whatever they would like with it, but they can't edit it directly. To make it so people can either edit or comment on the document, we're going to change the setting on the right-hand side here from Viewer, which is currently its default, and then either to Commenter or Editor. The Commenter will allow people to just comment on the work that you've done in the document, but not actually edit or delete anything. And the editor will give them full access to the document, allow them to share it, edit, delete, whatever you would like. So be careful for who you share this with. But once you select editor, it'll automatically update the link. From there, you can just copy and paste it to whoever you would like, and they can access the document directly through that. Another important part of accessing Google Drive and accessing the documents that may have been shared with you over the semester will be moving the document from Shared With Me folder to your main drive. That way you won't have to keep going through emails or messages with other people to find the document and always have it ready to go. To begin, you're going to just open Google Drive, just your normal settings, and then in the left taskbar, you will see a folder that says Shared With Me. This will have all the documents that have been shared directly with you. So to make it easier on yourself, you're just going to select whichever document that you would like. So if we select the most recent one here, and then we're going to drag this into the folder of My Drive. This will then transfer and copy the document from Shared With Me into your main drive. That way, whenever you go into Google, you can find it really quickly and really easily. You can sort it if you have any other folders and open it directly from your drive.